Install an empty core to the waste removal mandrel. Tighten the mandrel. Cut the matrix around the die cut label, so the matrix can be removed and attached to the empty core. Start the press to cut additional labels. Pull the matrix up and attach it to the core. Turn on the tension sensor for the waste mandrel. Lower the waste compact roller into place. There are two options for removing the waste, using the square peel bar or the roller bar. Which method to use will depend on the type of material, laminate used, and the shape of the label. To remove the bar, loosen the handle and slide out the bar.